Okay, welcome to MAC 1105C blended course. So before our first meeting on Tuesday, I want you to do this thing. Okay, first of all, log in your course shell in D2L and go to the course content. And when you click that course content, you will be able to see this start here page, course syllabus, schedule, and Alex information. Here is the welcome page. Just click that. This is me. And I'm going to see you face to face on Tuesday in class. So read about the course and some tips here. Go to the next page, and there is a syllabus. These are the things you have to do. Read the welcome letter. You did that. Just I show you the welcome letter. After that, course syllabus that will come next, and then course schedule. You need to print out that, and you have to register with the Alex. We are using Alex for this course. And the first thing you have to do when you register for Alex, you have to complete the initial knowledge check, Alex initial knowledge check. And keep in mind, when you take this initial knowledge check, make sure that you don't use any other help. This initial knowledge check will help you to find out, how much you know at this point, and what are the things you are missing. And based on your this test, Alex is going to create different assignments for individual students. So just be honest and take this Alex initial knowledge check. Okay, and then after that you will be able to see all the assignments I have assigned for you, and read the syllabus. And there is a syllabus quiz. Take that and post your introduction on discussion forum, and you can start working on unit 1. So these are the things you have to do this week. If you can finish this work before we meet on Tuesday, then that would be very, 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 very helpful. Okay, let's go to the next page, and you'll be able to see, you'll be able to find the syllabus. So this is your syllabus. We're going to meet on where is that, this Tuesday 23rd, and the building 70, room number 106, South Campus. This is our meeting time, 11 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. And if you go further, you can find out my office hour. We're going to talk about this. And this is the book we're using. You can find out the electronic version of the book in Alex. You do not need to buy a hard copy of this book for me. So but you need to use the Alex. So uh, first day course material program, that means the Alex assignments are already available to you, so from the first day. So you can just read what is this first day course material program, and if you want to choose other option, that option is also given here. Okay, we're using, you can use TI, basic calculator, scientific calculator, while taking quizzes or tests. And there will be proctor exams at the testing center, and there will be different type of assignments. So as you can see, first finish that Alex initial knowledge check. This is the first thing you have to do. Okay, when you I'm going to show you how to go there, but this is what you need to do first. And then after that you will be able to see different type of assignments there. uh, Learning path assignments, that will be created based on your background, what you know up to this point. Based on your background, that learning path will be created. And then this homework assignments, I'm going to create homework assignments. This is for actual course, and because it's a blended 5 credit course, that means half of the course material you need to prepare before you come for each class. You remember, this is blended course. Blended means more than 50% of the course material you need to prepare by yourself at home, and you have to come to the class with full preparation. That's why I have created pre-class assignments. So you have to do pre-class assignments before our meeting, every single class. And some this is the more assignments, proctor, non-proctor review assignments, and then there will be proctor test. That test will be, you have to take this test at the testing center. I'm going to talk about this. in class as well. There will be final exam, a proctor final exam, and during the class time we are going to do in-class work. I want you to bring a laptop or iPad or any machine you have, so that we can do this in-class assignment in that machine. If you do not have laptop to bring during the class time, then you can talk to me about this, okay? But if you can bring a laptop or iPad or ThinkPad or anything, whatever you have, then that would be very, very helpful for you. Okay, and then after that, there are three discussion you need to finish in this course, online discussion. I'm going to show you what you have to do, but all the information are given here. After that, these are the detailed course outcome and what we are going to do in class and what you have to do at home. Here I do not have any time, the due date written, but I'm going to give you the separate assignment due date file later. That's why I did not put the dates here. Okay, this is detailed information, and finally you'll be able to see that these are the grading for different assignments. Like Alex learning path, there are 6 learning path assignments, which is 2% of your course grade. Without doing this, you'll not be able to gain foundation. The foundation you have to go further and learn the topics we're going to cover in this course. So you have to finish this learning path strictly. There is no extension for this learning path. I'm going to provide you assignments due date uh, you know schedule, and then you are going to follow that schedule very strictly. There are homework assignments, there are pre-class assignments you need to finish before you come for the class. Without doing this pre-class assignment, whatever we are going to discuss in class, that will not be able to that you will not be able to understand that, because that information will be you know uh, just the other half, and then first half you need to do in the pre-class assignments. Okay, and how do you do that? I'm going to show you what are the things you can use to complete those pre-class assignments. An in-class worksheet, uh, bring a laptop, and I'm going to use best 10 in-class work for the for the final grade. There will be 5 tests you need to take at the testing center, and finally the final exam, you are going to take this final exam in the regular classroom. Okay, and read the syllabus very carefully, and there is a syllabus quiz. Take that syllabus quiz. There is a syllabus quiz, and get 100% in this syllabus quiz. And go to the next page, and here is the course schedule. If you click the course schedule file here, it's going to show you the dates and then topics we're going to cover. As you can see here, our first class is August 23, and we're going to discuss about unit 1, and these are the topics we might be able to discuss. Okay, and before you come for the next class on August 25, you need to finish this pre-class assignment in Alex, and so on, so on. So you will be able to see all the coursework, course schedule here. I might have to change this schedule during the semester, but if I will change anything, then I will make that announcement in class. Okay, and now this is the most important information you have to have to, so print it out. These are the assignments due date information. So for example, you have to finish the initial knowledge check on the first day of class. I am assuming that you'll be able to finish this before you come for the class. Okay, and then after that, before you come for the next class on August 25, you have to finish the pre-class assignment in Alex, pre-class number 2. And then after that, on August 29, learning path part 1. August 29 again, there is a discussion 1. And August 30, before our meeting in class, you have to finish the pre-class lesson 3. So you just follow these due dates. So just print out this due date, and then you will be able to you will be, just follow the due dates. There will be no makeup or no extension. So keep in mind, this is very compactly designed course. If you miss even one single assignment, it will be very difficult to cover. So just strictly follow these due dates. If you go down here, you can see that on December 8th, you will have final exam in your classroom, and the time is a little bit different than class meeting. It's at 10:30 a.m. to 12:20 p.m. So you have to plan accordingly to take this test. Okay. Okay. So these are the topics you will be able to cover in pre-class assignments. All the detailed information is given here, so you can check this. And okay, I'm going to show you about the Alex. You are going to use the Alex. Now, how to register for the Alex? This is the information provided here using the video tutorial, and all the information you need to know in about the Alex is given here. What you should do is just click this tab here. Click here to access the Alex assignment. When you click that, there is a link Alex. If you are clicking this Alex link very first time, yes, definitely it will be your first time. When you click it, if you do not have Alex, like for me, when I click that, it's going to take me to my Alex account. So it will, but you'll not be able to see this thing for the first time. uh, you have to register for the Alex, and for registration purpose you have to give the information they are asking you. And very first time there will be assignments called initial knowledge check. You have to do that assignments very, very, very seriously and honestly. Okay. And after that, um, you will be able to see all these assignments. So just do that, and then come for the class. And if you go down here, you will be able to see different modules: module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5. And then in each module there are different units: unit 1, 2, 3. And for each unit you will be able to find out all the information regarding that unit. For example, unit 1 guidelines, video lecture. If you click that, all the topics videos are given here. So before our meeting you have to prepare for, as I mentioned earlier, it's a blended course, so you have to prepare at least 50% of the course material at home. So while doing that, you can watch this video at home and do that preparation. So before you do your pre-class assignments, you have to watch this video for different topics. So watch the video and do the problem, and then you come with the questions in classroom. We meet at the classroom and we do different activities. But if you do not do your homework, if you do not do your work properly or honestly and at home completely, then this class doesn't make sense to you. Okay. So I will see you on Tuesday before your class meeting. Remember, just try to register for Alex and try to read the syllabus, try to do the first week things, and come prepared. Okay, I will see you on Tuesday.